right, first graders, let's review some words before we get into the story. Let's look at the story we're going to read today. It's Cool Dog, School Dog, and it's written by Deborah Heligman, and it's illustrated by Tim Bowers. Now, we're going to review some words before we get into the story. The first word is be, good, come, and pull. We're going to say all these words just like we do in class. So the first word, I'm going to go to the left of it. I'm going to say word, and I'm going to say the word. Then I'm going to ask you to spell it, and then I'm going to ask you to say the word. Okay, ready? My turn. The word is be. Your turn. Spell be. Good. When I point underneath the letter, you should be saying that letter. So let's try it. The word is be. Spell B. B. E. What's the word? Bee. Good. A turtle can be a fun pet. Let's do this word. The word is good. Spell good. Good. Hopefully, after I put my finger underneath each word, you were saying that letter. Let's try that again. Spell good. G-O-O-D. Wonderful. The word is good. The word is come. Spell come. Good. Hopefully you spelt it as I had my finger underneath each word. Let's spell it one more time. Spell come. C-O-M-E. What's the word? Come. My bunny will come to eat. What's the word? Pull. Spell pull. P-U-L-L. Hopefully you spelled the word pull with me. Let's spell it again. Spell pull. P-U-L-L. What's the word? Pull. I pull my dog in a wagon. Wonderful job. The last thing we're going to do before we get into the reading is the next thing. It's not the last thing. We have one more thing we have to do. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these words. This is L. L blends. It kind of looks like a capitalized I, but this is L blends. That means that we're going to be blending a consonant with the letter L to make a new sound. Let's read this. The letters B-L, C-L, F-L, G-L, P-L, and S-L make the beginning sounds in black, click, flat, glad, plan, slim. Let's listen to these words. You say them very close together. It makes one sound. So fla, flap, sl, slips, fl, flags, gl, glass, bl, blip, cl, clap, cl, class, fl, ips, flips, bl, blab, pl, plans, sl, slick, sl, slam. Our class pet is named Slick. Slick can flip in its glass bowl. Your turn. Look for these words with L blends in a pig for cliff. Cliff, glad, slim, black, slim, slip. We're going to look for these 6 words. When you see these six words when we read our book, let me know. Shout it out. Be like, Miss Collins, there's an L blend. And I'll stop reading. I'll be like, whoa. Good job, guys. Let's go to this next page really quickly. Sorry, 2 seconds. It's gone. That's my family. What's up, fam? I'm not sure where it went. I'm so sorry. 2 seconds. Here it is. We're going to look at these 2 words while we read today, too. This word is pet. Spell pet. P-E-T. The word is pet. This word is new. Spell the word new. N-E-W. What's the word? New. Wonderful job. Let's look for those words as we read, too. All right, let's get to the story. Cool Dog. Wait. Nope, we're not reading that book. We're reading A Pig for Cliff. That was close. You almost read the wrong story. Silly Mrs. Collins. We're reading this story, A Pig for Cliff. That was so silly. Here we go. Cliff is glad. Who yelled at Mrs. Collins? Because we saw it. Look at this L blend. Cliff is glad. Thank you for stopping me. That was a good L blend find. Cliff has a new pet. Did anybody yell at me? Like, oh, Miss Collins is glad as the L blend. Cliff is an L blend. Great job. And there's that word pet that we learned. And new. It is slim. It is a big black pig. Good. Blah. Those are two L blends right there. Slim cannot fit in. Come out, Slim. Slam. Cliff cannot sit with Slim. Cliff and Slim slip. Slim can go up. Cliff cannot. Slim can pull Cliff. Slim will be a good pet. Great job! Wonderful work! Lots of good L blends in that story. I loved it. Thank you for reading with me.